In the last video, I got the engine in and I got it started. I'm gonna go take it for a test drive. For a first drive, I'd recommend bringing a fire extinguisher, some tools, maybe some zip ties, because you never know what's gonna happen. I want to go get this thing cleaned up because it's extremely dirty. So in order to break this thing in, I'm gonna keep it under 4,000 RPMs and I'm gonna stay out of boost. I'm gonna mostly let the engine do my braking for me. Probably do like 150 miles on it and we'll see if it's broken. Just trying to keep it under 4,000. The clutch feels really light. I'm not really used to that, how light it feels. This thing's driving really good. Let's get this thing cleaned up. Alright, all cleaned up. Go air dry this thing. One more stop to make and then I'm gonna set up a 360 cam. I just pulled into this golf course to double check everything and it's all looking good. So we're gonna go do a little cruise here. Used to be a nice little asphalted area. Now it's got a big dirt patch in the middle of it. Let's get this thing back to the shop. It's done pretty good today. good. Still no leaks under there, so stoked on that. One thing I did notice though is my diff controller started flashing and the ABS light came on. So you see that Christmas tree looking thing? I mean, the whole dash looks like a Christmas tree right now. Yeah, I'm gonna read the codes. So we got 2 O2 sensor codes, and then we also got 2 secondary air pump codes. You can clear these codes. I'm gonna restart it and see if we still have the Christmas tree on the center diff. So that got rid of all of our lights for now, but I'm sure a lot of them are gonna come back. I'm not too worried about the secondary air pump or the O2 sensor. I just want my center diff to work and function as it should, because I didn't mess with any of that stuff when I did the motor, and everything worked prior. So our center diff is actually working right now. Yeah, see, we can go select, go full lock. My buddy Travis, I think he's gonna help me delete some of these O2 sensor and secondary air pump codes. I still have a full trunk of exterior parts. I'm still waiting on a few more things to show up. So make sure you got your notifications turned on, and we'll see you next time. Peace out.